Hey guys, Eric and I came out to play some disc golf at one of our local courses today, and I'm carrying the Trooper bag. I actually use this bag a lot for casual rounds and any round that I just don't need a lot of discs for. So here's the Trooper bag. It's a little backpack bag, folds up really nicely. I actually really love the Trooper bag. It carries plenty of discs and it's a really nice size for my tiny body. So let's review it and go walk around this course, play some Frisbee. So I've actually carried the Trooper a lot. I use it for casual rounds, any course that I don't need like a lot of discs at, like smaller courses where I maybe just need some putters and mid-ranges. So one thing I do like about the Trooper is the way it like sits on my back. It's really not bad at all. It's kind of flush. Feels nice. Both this and the Cadet are pretty lightweight, so no issues. You're really just adding whatever weight is with your discs and your water. The bag itself barely weighs anything. I look sunburnt. I'm a little red. Alright, so let's talk about these pockets. For starters, I can fit a lot more in this main bag. I think they say it's 18 or more, but also you have a putter pocket in this one. So I've got my putters up here, easy to grab. And the bonus part is that you can zip it up. So when it is raining, you can still hide them in there. And then this main compartment zips up too. So that's really nice for those rainy rounds. You at least do have some protection. And I have a lot of discs in here. Literally anything that I usually would bring with me, I'm able to fit into this bag. There's a pocket on this side. That's where my whale sacks go, my little workout band, and snacks. So there's these little like D-rings, which of course is where my whale sack goes. And then on both sides you have one of these pockets for your mini, my wallet, my chapstick. Over here, there's my mini. And then the water bottle holder is pretty large, so I even have like my large water bottle and a thing of sunscreen in here. So plenty of space, but not like overly large pockets. There's just plenty of places to put stuff. So this is a $40 bag. It's definitely a step up from the Cadet. Two things that stand out for me is I guess more like the durability. So the fabric's a little bit nicer. It's more rigid, so it's going to stand up a little bit better. You can kind of just tell just the way the back sits, and that's because it's more rigid. So it's not going to fall over when you put it down. It stands up nicely on its own. Okay, so let's talk about the straps. Kind of the most important part of the bag, if you ask me. It's not a heavy bag, so there's really no need for crisscross right here. And the straps provide like really good cushion for what the weight is. So it's not too thick, and they're certainly not heavy, so they're very comfortable. And then lastly, it folds up nice and small. So we travel and like fly places every once in a while. This is a great disc golf bag to bring with us because it folds up really small and compact. We can put our discs like in our suitcases and it travels really nicely. It's a great starter disc golf bag as well as the Cadet, so check it out.